Alright, so I'm going to show you how to use the Google version history as a record for your point sheets. So from the first day that you start using these point sheets, every change and edit that you make in them is saved and recorded in a timeline. And you may have used this before with Google Docs. You can use that to look at changes on a student essay if you want to look and see what changes they made after you gave them certain suggestions or edits. And the same is true in Google Sheets. So if we click on File, come down to Version History, and click See Version History, that's going to open up a timeline on the right-hand column where we can see days and times of the changes that were made. And you'll notice that the point sheet is now grayed out. That's telling us that it's in the history. This point sheet was done sometime in the past. And if I click on a specific day and time, then what I'm going to see is color-coded changes. So I'm the only one that's made changes, so everything is color-coded to this teal color that it assigned to me. If you've got this shared with your team members, which you really should, then you'll see their changes in different colors on the point sheet as well. So this is a great way to do record keeping. So in the past, what we did was write down point sheets on paper, add everything up at the end of the day, make copies, and then give one to the student, keep one for ourselves. So this replaces that one that you would keep for yourself, that big stack of copied point sheets in your desk or in a file cabinet or a cardboard box, wherever you keep it. This is what that is. It replaces all of that. You don't need to do that anymore because every change you've ever made is saved here. So when you go sit in a meeting and you need to look up a point sheet from November 3rd, all you have to do is open up your version history, scroll down to it, and what I like to do is click on the latest day in that time, which is usually around 4 o'clock. I click on that because I know that's probably the last time I made any changes, and you'll see that specific snapshot of that day and time saved right there for you. And you can look at all that data quickly and easily, sorted by day and time. So unfortunately it's not going to sort it by person for you or by student, but you do get a running record organized by day and time of all the point sheets that you've ever done. Hope this helps.